Hello, how are you children? How are you mommy and daddy? I'm so glad that we have a sunny day today. Actually, I am outside because I would like to share with the children something about nature. And today is Saturday. The weather is beautiful. It is sunny. And it is just the right time for me to talk about nature. Okay? What is meant by nature? Nature is part of our science subject. And um, before I show you the picture or pictures of nature, I would like to tell you what a nature is. Okay? So nature are the things we see around us. They are not made by humans. They are things like weather, landforms, natural environment like wild animals, rocks, forests, beaches. And nature gives us feeling of awe, wonder, or amazement. Now, why is nature important? Nature is important because they give us food, water, medicine, and materials for shelter. What does nature do to us? How does we feel about nature? Does nature make you happy? Does nature make us healthy? Okay, look, I'm going to show you the different kinds of nature right now where I am at. Actually, I went to the to this place with my husband because he loves to fish. And since tomorrow is Father's Day, he would like to celebrate Father's Day one day early. And he came here to Pacifica Beach, so I went with him so I can take pictures of nature and show you what nature is. Okay? The first look. Do you see the mountains? Do you see the water? The ocean? Beautiful, right? See that beautiful places? This is nature. It's made up of grasses, flowers, trees, rocks, mountains, hills, beach, sand. Okay. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Have you been to this place? Do you love nature? Nature is a gift to us. And so we need to take good care of nature. When we are at the beach, we see to it that we do not throw trash around. We need to to be careful not to scatter trash on the sand. We do not pick the flowers up. We do not cut the trees. And look, those trees are tall and big, and they have beautiful green leaves. The trees, when they are cut, gives us wood to make for shelter or houses or buildings. The flowers, look, they beautify our surrounding. When we look at the flowers, they make us feel happy. And different kinds of flowers. Others are white, others are yellow, okay? And there are others that are orange, okay, and pink, and purple. Now, look, there's also a bird flying. Hey, what a beautiful sight. And these birds are trying to look for fish that they can catch and eat. Do you see these people at the beach? They are having fun. Some of them are having picnic. They have their friends and families with them. I can even see a tent that was put up. Okay. And this place is being used also for people to walk, ride the bike, and others just stay here to watch the beautiful nature. It is very good. It is very relaxing. Are you thankful of nature? We need to be thankful for all these things, beautiful surroundings that we have. The mountains, look at that. The rocks, okay? Look at the beautiful, look at there are different kinds of rocks. There are big rocks, there are small rocks, okay? And I have see those grasses. How did you spend your day today? What did you do for Father's Day? Okay. So, I hope you enjoy the nature that I have shown you. We need to be thankful for this beautiful creation. The rocks, the plants, the flowers, the trees, the water, the beach, the sand. All of these are for our enjoyment. Okay. And we have to take care of them all. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. I will see you soon. Enjoy your summer vacation. But remember, social distancing. Stay away about 6 feet from people, okay? So that you will not get sick. Or wear your mask. Wear your mask. When you get out the house, you have to wear a mask. Teacher has to remove the mask so you can see me talk to you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye again.